This woman is so sexy and so pretty after one day of a facelift. I couldn't help myself and show this. Look at this jaw and neckline. Totally clean. Incisions are well hidden right here, just around here. You can't even see it with short hair. And so, you're not having too much pain?
No.
Good.
Not too much, but I still need to take medication.
This is a little puckering normal. Incisions are well healed, but she really doesn't look bad at a day. And this is one day after a full face and neck lift. What I did was I tightened up all of the muscles across here, brought the neck up, released all these ligaments that were sagging, and then tightened up the whole face right here. So now the whole face is super tight, jawline looks clean, and she looks amazing. Not too bad.